Hi, I'm Rashmi Jain. I'm a travel blogger and a trendsetter. When I visited a lot many unique places, I wish to pen them down so that it should reach to maximum people, and I wish that they should visit over there. But to make it possible, I had to learn. For that, I searched a Marketer Academy Institute near my house, and it is in Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. It is a very good institute with very good faculties. From there, I learned SEO, Canva, Powtoon, how to upload my all great shots on internet, and so that it should reach to the maximum public. There are lot many things I need to learn. I also wish everybody should go for digital marketing, as it's a time of digital marketing nowadays. Thank you.